Yeah, it's great to be here at the Disrupt event. There's nothing more important at the time when there's continual change with things like AI. Universities have to work with industry, both for our graduates to make sure our graduates are going out into industry with the skills that employers really need. And AI is a vital part of that at the moment. It's down to us as a university to work with our students to make sure they understand how to use AI ethically. And that's one of our real concerns here at BNU. So they go into their chosen industry because all industries are being transformed by artificial intelligence. We need to make sure our students can do it ethically, but they're taking the skills out there that employers really need. We've seen both good and bads in terms of artificial intelligence. There are organisations out there that are using AI in ways that are disadvantaging applicants. They're trying to automate the process, and we understand that, but we have to give good service to the people who apply for jobs in the organisations in which we work. So we've seen a number of good practices, but also some negative practices. And again, HR has a really fundamental responsibility to use AI ethically. Yeah, it's really important that employers work closely with universities so that we can co-create a curriculum that's going to meet their needs, but also our needs as a university. So the closer integration between a university and industry, perfect way forward. Yeah, it's a really great event. It's nice to bring academics together with students, with graduates, and also with employers so that we're developing that relationship in as many productive ways as possible.